Nigeria can achieve 8 trillion naira tax revenue target, Dr. Biola Ademola. Dr. Biola Ademola is the new national chairperson, Society for Women in Taxation, the women wing of the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, CITN. Biola said at her investiture as the newly elected national chairperson that with the dwindling income from the oil sector and the impact of COVID-19 pandemic and its emerging variant on the economy, taxation has the potential to fill the revenue gap. Noting, for instance, that a tax revenue collection target of 7 trillion to 8 trillion is achievable. She says SWIT under her watch has prioritized advocacy and sensitization to help improve the tax system and boost tax revenue generation capacity. She pointed out that the need to scale up advocacy to enhance more revenue generation through taxation has never been this compelling, and the internally generated revenue through tax. Kaduna IRS achieves 90% mid-year revenue collection target. The Kaduna State Internal Revenue Service has achieved 90% of its mid-year target of 60 billion naira. Its executive chairman, Dr. Zaid Abubakar, made this known in Kaduna on Saturday. Abubakar spoke at a one-day media strategic retreat organized to review the country's performance in the last 6 months. Abubakar said he was not comfortable with the 90% mid-year performance, even when it translated to about 50% of the 2021 target. Abubakar noted that Kaduna State desired to be IGR dependent by generating higher revenues than what it received from the Federation account. This, according to him, will enable the state to move away from the traditional dependence on statutory allocation, noting, however, that it will not be an easy task. He said the state currently had about 500,000 taxpayers digitally enrolled in its taxpayers list. Kogi Revenue Agency generates 17.5 billion naira in 2020. Malam Yusuf Abubakar, the acting executive chairman, Kogi State Internal Revenue Service, said that its agency collected 17.5 billion naira as internally generated revenue in 2020. Abubakar made this known to members of the Correspondents' Chapel of the Nigerian Union of Journalists in Lokoja on Friday. He said that the agency was also making progress by generating 1.3 billion naira monthly since he came on board in December 2020. He said that the revenue profile of the state was undulating between 350 million and 500 million prior to the inception of the State Internal Revenue Service by the administration of Governor Yahaya Bello. Abubakar noted that the focus of the new management in the last 6 months has been to block all identified leakages in the system to make life easier for the numerous taxpayers in the state.